Fabian Picardo said this would hopefully be the last live COVID-related press conference from Number 6, at least for now. The number of active cases has gone down to 39, with 20-plus recoveries expected over the weekend. There are still 5 cases in critical care, all of them on ventilators, and some are deteriorating. But he said the pressure on hospital staff had eased greatly. There are only 6 COVID patients in the Victoria ward, and the R number is well below 0.5%.
But the fact is that we have made huge progress in pushing down the curve of the new infection rate. We have seen a great reduction in the numbers of cases requiring hospitalisation. The pressure on our hospital staff has eased considerably. We can therefore anticipate de-escalating the alert status of the hospital to amber by early next week. The good news is that this will mean that we can gradually restart some routine activity.
As from Monday, children will return to school and play parks will reopen. The bus service will return, albeit with reduced capacity. The compulsory wearing of masks will soon return to the situation as it was before Christmas, i.e., only in town areas, in covered spaces and inside shops, although an exact date hasn't been given for this yet. Catering establishments will be able to reopen as from the 1st of March, and the lottery will also return on this date. The 10 p.m. curfew will remain until at least the 14th of March. But sport will soon return to the Rock, with associations invited to apply for return to competition as from the 22nd. The vaccination program continues apace, with the 18 to 50 cohorts being called up for their jabs in their respective age groups.
We are well on the road to covering everyone over 50 already. We are coordinating with the UK Department of Health and Social Care and with the FCDO to ensure continuity of supply of vaccine to Gibraltar. I am satisfied and assured that the necessary arrangements are in place to see that deliveries will continue until the adult population has been vaccinated.
And in answers to questions, Mr. Picardo confirmed we have the AstraZeneca vaccine in Gibraltar in case there are those who cannot take the Pfizer vaccine because of allergy advice or pregnancy. However, he said these are clinical decisions. But Fabian Picardo issued a word of caution. He said we may see an increase in infection rates in the coming weeks, although he anticipates that hospitalisations will remain manageable. He urged the community to be cautious before thinking life is back to normal, saying it remains your responsibility to think hard about what you plan to do, particularly with the surrounding municipalities in Spain now opening up this weekend.